About this item: high voltage 54W efficient quick charging, AINOPE 54W fast USB-C car charger supporting PD36W, max, and QC18W, max, high output, can fast charge all prevailing phones at the same time. The PD port, 8x faster than 2.4A charger, can fast charge MacBook Air, iPad Pro 11 12.9 inch, Samsung Galaxy S23, S22, S21 Note 20 Ultra, Z Flip 3 Fold 4, iPhone 14 Pro Max 13 12 11X XS XR8 Plus SE, Pixel 3 3a XL, etc. Quick Charge 3.0 port, charges devices from 0% to 80% within 35 minutes. High voltage officially approved PD 3.0 plus QC 3.0, aim for faster and safer. This car charger has been recognized by official USB and Qualcomm and passes 15 multi-layer tests, so charging efficiency has increased by 80%. And charging stability rate increased by 93% and the using durability increased by 200%, so you can charge faster and safer. Promise you, offering whole life charging high voltage fast charger 2 devices simultaneously, equipped with USB-A, QC 3.0, port and